Well, for some immigrants, the green card dream, it can feel so valuable that people become willing to pay enormous sum for it. And that is exactly where immigration fraud network thrives. According to the reports, ladies and gentlemen, the US Justice Department has targeted a large alleged marriage fraud operation involving more than 1,000 fake marriages and multiple criminal defendants. The reported scheme allegedly arranges marriage between the US citizen and foreign nationals who wanted immigration benefit. Guess what's the price here? Well, the report says that some applicants paid as much as $100,000, and the people arranging the marriages allegedly took commissions out of it. Can you think about that? A marriage, normally one of the most personal decisions of two people, well, it becomes a business transactions. And for what? A US green card. Photos, all staged. Trips are arranged. Family members may be brought into the whole story. Couples made to look very, very genuine. And all of it, it is designed to survive an immigration interview. But the American government, well, they are increasingly looking for inconsistencies here. Where did the couple live? Who paid the rent? Did they actually spend time together? What do they know about each other? Most importantly, what does their financial history show? What does their digital footprint show? Everything is important now. And this is why fraudulent marriage schemes are so risky, because it isn't enough to create a convincing marriage photograph. You have to create an entire life that looks real. And the authorities proved the marriage was fraudulent. The consequences can extend far beyond losing a green card. There can be criminal charges, immigration consequences, deportation, and potentially serious future visa problems as well. According to the report, cases involving Indian nationals allegedly using sham marriages as an immigration shortcut. Well, that is an important warning for anybody who believes that I'll just find a way to get the papers. Because when immigration benefits are obtained through fraud, the shortcuts that can become a trap for you. And yes, from an alleged immigration fraud network, we now move to a deeply disturbing individual case involving an Indian origin doctor in Florida. The next story is deeply disturbing.